Okay, now we move to reflection. What is the meaning of reflection? It's a transformation, okay, but it's what in fact? So we can see that a reflection is a flip about some arbitrary axis. The shape is otherwise unchanged. Example, reflect about the red axis. Okay, now if this one, my kids, denotes or represent the y-axis, and this one is what? Is the x-axis. Okay. So the red shape is the image of the black one. Okay. After reflection in the y-axis. Y-axis, for example, here I will do it. This is, for example, 0. Okay, this is 0. This is, okay, this is 0. This is 1. Just a moment. Okay. For example, this one, my kids, okay. This one is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5, and so on. And this one is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6, and so on. Okay. So, who can? This is the what? This is the mirror line or line of reflection. This one is what? I will write it here. Is mirror line or line of reflection. L-I-N-E, line of reflection. Okay. Line of reflection. Okay. So if we would like to transform this object after reflection, you need what? You need line of reflection or the mirror line. So the mirror line, the equation of the mirror line is what? This is the y-axis. So y equal what? Y equal 4. The mirror line, my kids, here is this one. This line is y equal 4. So now the question is try to transform this shape after reflection in the line y equal 4. Okay, and draw its image. Okay, first of all, if you would like to start from this point, 2 things you should know about. You will draw perpendicular line to the mirror line or to the line of reflection. This is 90 degrees. Then you should keep the same distance. For example, here how many units? 1 unit, 2 units. So we should move 1 unit, 2 unit, okay, from this point. So this point, the image of its image is this, okay, and we keep the same distance. This is 2 units, and this is also 2 units. Okay, I'll just make like that. Means that the distance from this point to the line to the point that is lie on the mirror line on the line of reflection is the same as this point to the point that is lies on the line of reflection. And also here, for example, this one 90 degrees, and this is 1 unit to the mirror line, so we should also only draw 1 unit. This is also 90 degrees. You can see this is 90 and 90, and so on. Okay? For example, this point. How many units to the mirror line? 1, 2, 3. So we should draw a line segment that is perpendicular. And how many units you got? 1, 3. So this is 3. You should also keep the same distance from the line of reflection to the image. Means 1, 2, 3. So this point is the image of that. After reflection in the line, of reflection, y equal 4. Okay? So this one, my kids, the red one, this one, is the image of the object after reflection and the reflection in the line y equal what? Y equal 4. Okay. Now, perform the following transformation on the triangle ABC as an exercise. ABC is triangle, is an isosceles triangle. Start with the original triangle. Reflection over AC. Reflection over AC. This is the mirror line. AC now is representing the mirror line. Okay? The green one is the mirror line. Precisely is AC. AC is the mirror line. AC. So, you can see that if you would like to reflect this point in the mirror line, you can see that this point belongs to the mirror line, meaning that this point A lies on the mirror line. So no need to transform. Okay, it will be on the same point, on the same position. Then C also lies on the mirror line. So the image of C in the on the mirror line will be the same C. Okay, but B, if you like to draw the image of this, you will draw perpendicular line to the line segment AC, because the green line is called the mirror line. Then you should keep the same distance. This is 1 unit. Also, you should move here 1 unit and label as, for example, B prime. Then you can note this one, the distance from this point, my kids, to this is equal the distance from this point to that. Okay, so then just join the vertices of, so this one, my kids, is the image. This one is the image. Okay, after reflecting on the mirror line. Okay, now I'll reflect the shape A. Let's see, we have a shape, 2D shape, A triangle. In the line x equal 1 and y equal -1. We have two lines of reflection. The first line is 1. X equal 1. This is my kids is x. X equal what? Equal 1. This is x equal 1. You will try to reflect this triangle in the line of reflection x equal 1. You will do what exactly? This, the first vertex of the triangle, how many units to the line of reflection is only 1 unit. Okay, you will draw a perpendicular line like that. This is 90 degrees. Then you should keep the same distance from this to that, and from the line segment, from what? From the point on the line of reflection to the image. Okay, this one also, my kids. So you can see this distance is equal to this, and also this is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the image of that after reflecting in the line of reflection x equal 1. Then the next, this point, my kids, belongs to it, no change. This point belongs to the mirror line, to the line of reflection, so it will be the same. But here, how many units? 1, 2, 3. So I should move 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. So this one, my kids. Now I will try to join the points. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. This one is the image of my triangle. Okay. In the x-axis, in the x equal 1, in the line of reflection x equal 1. Okay, the next one. Now we try to draw the image of this triangle. I will label this one as B. Okay, I will now try to reflect the shape in the line of reflection y equal -1. This is the y-axis, isn't it? This is y-axis, and this one is x-axis. What is, my kids, y equal -1? This one. This one is what? Is y equal negative 1. So here you are tending to reflect the shape in the line of so it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how can we do it here? Okay, equal 1 or negative 1, because if it is negative 1, this point, it will be, okay. Then, look, this is the mirror line. I will move 2 units down, okay, in the y direction. This is 90 degree, means the angle that makes with this line of reflection is 90. Also, this is 2 units, and this is also should be 2 units. This distance is equal to that. Then the second one also 2 units down in the y-axis. This is 90 degree, and this is also 2 units down in the y-axis. Okay, this is we told, okay, this M and this point, its image is that. This one is the image of that after reflection in the line of reflection y equal negative 1. And this point, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be okay. So this one I will change it by y equal 1. This one, my kids, because the image of this it will be down. So good morning. So I will change this one. It will be just erase this. Okay. I will just erase the last one. Okay. So this one, my kids, I will make equal 1. This one. Okay. Y equal 1. Y equal 1. Okay. So this is y. This is y, so this one is y. Y equal 1. Okay. So now this point belongs to that. This is the same. And here how many units? 1, 2, 3. This is 90 degree, and this is also 2 units. So now we will just draw my triangle. This is the triangle, the image of this in the line of reflection y equal 1. Because if you suppose that is y equal negative 1, the image of this point will be it's very down, and we disagree. Let's say, if we would like to draw the image of this, so we need let's say at least 3 other squares. Okay, so I change it by y equal 1. Okay, the next. Now move to your student book. Okay, page 100.